Turning a business is a concept similar to flipping a house. The goal is simple: buy low, sell high. Investopedia says, behind the truism buy low, sell high is the tendency of the markets to overshoot on both the downside and the upside. Part of the reason is a pure herd instinct that drives stock prices. The investor who takes an unbiased look at the market might be able to see the herd instinct at work and take advantage of the extreme ups and downs that it causes. That investor can buy low and sell high. Unfortunately, it's easy to determine after the fact whether a price was too low or too high, and even why. At the moment, it is monumentally difficult. Prices both affect and reflect the psychology and emotions of market participants. For this reason, buy low, sell high can be challenging to implement consistently. Traders trying for a more objective view consider other factors to make a more informed decision. These factors include moving averages, the business cycle, and consumer sentiment. Flipping houses tries to increase the odds of success by buying a house that needs repair, updating, or some obvious improvement. The concept can work and make a significant profit for the investor. Beware, the 30-minute reality show describing only the successful can be more than a little deceiving. There are multiple hurdles to overcome, such as zoning restrictions, HOA requirements, neighborhood maximum perceived values, and yes, the possibility of a downturn in the real estate market just when you're planning to sell and cash out. On the other hand, you can turn a business. Locating an underperforming business is not hard to do with up to a 90% failure rate for all business startups. Data reveals a record 5.4 million new business ID numbers were issued in 2021. 90% is 4.86 million. Now divide that by 10 years, that's how long the 90% statistics last. You have 486,000 businesses failing every year. That's 56.25 business failures every hour. If 90% were doomed to fail, there is an enormous opportunity for fix-up specials. You don't have to buy any specific business. Look for the ones where you can see the potential for growth with your skill set. In addition to companies for sale, because they are underperforming, there are the owners looking for money from their business to fund their retirement. An article in Wealth Management pointed out that 12 million baby boomers own a business and 70% of them will be retiring over the next couple of decades. Let's do the math. Think about it. 12 million baby boomers own businesses and will need to do something with their companies during the next 15 years. Let's assume that 40% of them close the doors of the business or turn the keys over to the kids or employees. So that leaves us with about 7.2 million that will seek buyers of some sort. And we will divide that 7.2 million by 15 years equals 480,000 businesses per year will hit the market. If you are more conservative and assume that the baby boomers will work even longer, dividing 7.2 million by 20 years, you still have 360,000 businesses entering the market every year. Enroll in our Turn a Business Mentoring Program. You will learn how to 1. Find opportunities, 2. How to complete a thorough due diligence, how to analyze the current market value, how to determine the future market value, how to develop a strategy or a plan of action, find the advisors you will need, finance your acquisition. See our funding list of pre-qualified lenders on our website. 8. Write non-disclosure agreements. Write letters of intent agreements. Negotiate the price and terms of the acquisition. Successfully close the transaction. Take control of the business. Implement your plan of action. Determine what help you need. where to find the experts you want to use. It could be with one of our team of consultants found on our website. Let me add a significant advantage you have over flipping houses. Flipping a house or condo means it will be vacant during the entire process and until you find a buyer. Not so with a business. The business will continue to provide a steady stream of cash throughout the entire process. Depending on your personal goals, you may decide not to sell, but rather to continue operating the business for the cash flow and personal satisfaction you are enjoying. If you do want to sell, we will show you how to sell for a premium utilizing the American Hope Success Sell for a Premium strategy. With our strategy of targeting opportunistic buyers and showing the true value of the business with our proprietary offering memorandum, it is possible to sell for double or more than the industry standard or the business broker's rule of thumb, which for most small to medium businesses is 2 times EBITDA. That's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. It is conceivable to buy a business at a 2 times multiple, repackage it for a premium price sale, and get a significant profit just by promoting the sale to an opportunistic buyer. Our Turn a Business mentoring program is designed to help you buy, build, or grow, and sell the business. I like setting goals by working the numbers. According to the historical data, the typical flipped house makes a $30,000 to $67,000 profit depending on which year's results you look at. According to BizBuySell, a prominent online listing service, the average sales price for a small business is $200,000 for a business generating a net income of $100,000. Let's assume you increase the net to $150,000 and sell it at a premium price of 4 times the net. That's $600,000. Add in the cash you take out of the business for salary or bonuses during the fix-up period, and you will enjoy a $400,000 profit plus. Call me, 855-574-HOPE. It's W.O. Laney, 855-574-4673. Let's talk about how you can make money by turning a business.